You can expect a lot from the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.